In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install FiveM on PC for GTA 5. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to actually use FiveM, you do have to have a copy of GTA 5 and access to GTA Online. Whenever you do have that, we can get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could really use whatever you'd like. And essentially just go ahead and search for FiveM and hit enter. The first link right here is going to be the official FiveM page. What you're going to want to do is select download client just like so. From here, go ahead and select the installer up at the very top, click it, and it's going to begin downloading it. And you're going to have to read through the entire terms of service and click sure, and I agree at the very bottom. And if the download doesn't start for you, there's going to be a section that says click here in this exact same section. Go ahead and just select that, and it's going to start that download manually. Now, once it does download for you, it's going to immediately begin. And the first time it does start downloading, it does take kind of a little bit of time to actually get launched. So just keep that in mind. But whenever it does get launched, you're going to see an option to link your GTA 5 directory. Make sure you go ahead and put the GTA5.exe file in here. Now, this file is located different depending on, where you bought GTA 5. If you got it through Epic Games, you're going to want to look inside that Epic Games installation folder. On Steam, you can actually go directly into your Steam apps, then your comment section, and then GTA 5. Within here, just select GTA5.exe and then open it. And if you are getting any error after selecting GTA 5, you might have to reopen FiveM from the desktop shortcut. And if you're still having any issues, go ahead and run FiveM as a administrator and you'll be good to go. Now, you may also be asked to sign into your Rockstar Games launcher and your Rockstar Games account if it is your first time using FiveM, so keep that in mind. And you'll also be asked to create a FiveM account. You could skip this for now just by hitting cancel or don't ask again, and you can always change this later in settings, but you might as well create that FiveM account. And when you are on the FiveM homepage, you're going to see options for link account up in the top right. You're going to see access settings, and then you're also going to see, the server options in here as well, where you can go ahead and change your server. It's kind of up to you. But yeah, that is how you can go ahead and get FiveM here on PC. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.